Hello friends, welcome on my YouTube channel Hub of Knowledge Mac. Today I am going to teach you difference between new 7QC tools and old 7QC tools, and what is correlation between new QC tools and old QC tools. So please let me continue this video till end. First we let define what are the new 7QC tools. First one, affinity diagram, and second, relationship diagram, third, tree diagram, fourth, matrix diagram, and fifth, arrow diagram, and sixth, process decision program chart, seventh, matrix data analysis. So friends, these are new 7QC tools. Now we discuss old 7QC tools. First, check sheet, second, histogram, next one, Pareto chart, next, fishbone diagram, and fifth, control chart, sixth, scatter diagram, seventh, stratification. So these are 7QC tools, new QC tools as well as old QC tools.
दोस्तों, अगर आप डिग्री या डिप्लोमा करने के बाद कुछ सालों तक जॉब नहीं कर पाते हैं तो आप हमारा ट्रेनिंग कोर्स ज्वाइन करने के बाद अपना करियर रीस्टार्ट कर सकते हो और अपने आप को एक्सपीरियंस होल्डर शो कर सकते हैं। हमारे यहाँ से ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद कैंडिडेट का IQ लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाता है और कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हो जाता है, क्योंकि सभी ट्रेनिंग प्रैक्टिकल व थ्योरेटिकल पढ़ाई जाती हैं और साथ में इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन भी करवाई जाती है।
Now let's discuss comparison between new versus old. First one, these are corrective or reactive approach tools, and these are proactive approach tools. So friends, new QC tools are proactive approach tool and old QC tools are reactive tools. Second one, these are based on numerical data collection and analysis as per the data. Here, these are based on qualitative ideas and make planning for improvement as per predicted ideas. New 7Qs are based on idea generation and making planning for quality improvement as per predicted ideas. Third, these are control the product quality by statistical process control. These are used to planning and managing how to control the product quality in manufacturing. Fourth one, these are using by QC team in shop floor for control the product and process quality. Here, these are using by QA team for assure product process quality and decision making by senior team. So new QC tools are quality assurance tool and old QC tools are quality control tool. Fifth one, these are problem solving tools for improving quality and continual improvement. Here, these are planning and decision making tools for continual improvement. Old QC tools invented by Koru Ishikawa in 1950. Koru Ishikawa is a Japanese engineer and known as father of quality control circle. And here, these tools invented by JUSE, Japanese Union of Scientists and Engineering in 1976. So friends, this is the difference between old QC tools and new QC tools.
अगर आपको स्मार्ट स्किल डेवलप करके करियर में ग्रो करना है तो प्लीज़ स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें और हमारा ट्रेनिंग सेंटर ज्वाइन करें। आफ्टर गेटिंग ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम आवर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर, कैंडिडेट कैन बिल्ड अप हिज स्मार्ट स्किल्स फॉर क्रैकिंग इंटरव्यू and can get a good job in good organization.
Now let's understand replacement of new versus old. Means new QC tools को old QC tools के साथ कैसे compare करें. Means complement of new QC tools as well as old QC tools. Here affinity diagram known as check sheet and tree diagram known as histogram and relationship diagram known as fishbone diagram and matrix diagram known as scatter chart and prioritization matrix known as Pareto chart and process decision program chart known as process flow chart, activity network diagram known as control chart. So friends, these new QC tools are known as correlated as old QC tools.
The main objective of Hub of Knowledge Mac Training Center providing training, placement and development of career. Friends, if you watching ready-made paid videos, then no use for it, because by watching ready-made paid video, doubts are not clear, so don't waste time and money. So please join our live classes online as well as offline. Friends, if you need to grow in your career and need to build up a smart career, you can join our documentation training center, Hub of Knowledge Mac. This is our advanced documentation training course template. Here we cover all topics with practical and theoretical, and more other technical topics will be cover that will be out of this template. Friends, we are providing live classes online and offline. Friends, if you join our complete advanced training course as shown in template, then job guarantee is 100% after completion of training course. If any guys interested, can contact on the number given on screen. So friend, this is the basic difference between new versus old QC tools. Thank you.